The Revopoint Inspire 3D Scanner is your pocketable 3D inspiration. It's compact, yet packed with advanced scanning technology. Powering a 0.2 mm high-accuracy capture of details and geometric shapes. Its wide capture range makes short work of scanning objects, whether doing a handheld or turntable scan. Capture even featureless objects with ease using the Magic Map. Simply place the object, and it's ready for scanning. Inspire is compatible with Windows, Android, iOS, and macOS. That'll transform your working efficiency. Inspire's Class 1 infrared light projector and dual-depth cameras ensure the clarity and accuracy of the scan. Experience enhanced tracking and color scans with Inspire's dual infrared LEDs and a flash LED. Offer a smooth scanning experience. Inspire's advanced design is driven by the desire to create a user experience like no other. Allowing for cross-device workflows for flexibility and convenience. Onboard Wi-Fi 6 technology offers a fast and stable wireless connection for free-flowing handheld scans. Inspire's fast scanning speeds of 14 to 18 frames per second offer a smooth scanning experience. Revopoint Inspire's high accuracy, fast speed, and flexibility are ready to inspire your creativity.